Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are going to unbox a special product, that is Pantum Printer 6502. So let's get started. Let me just acknowledge about it. Fast print speed, first speed out time less than 7.8 seconds, and small footprint. It is marketed as being able to make multifunction more convenient and affordable, and is ideal for home and small business use. As you can see, today we are going to unbox Pantum M6502 printer. It is a flatbed scanner. It has a RAM of 128 MB with a speed of 22 to 23 ppm. It supports Linux, Windows and Mac OS. This is Energy Star Certified 2.0. It has a resolution of 1200 x 1200 dpi, which implies very sharp printouts. It is a flatbed scanner with a traffic capacity of 150 and has a color scanning features. As you can see, this is a small control panel where you can manually set your modes. We insert the papers for printing, and you can see you are getting with the printer. We are getting cable, USB port and small catalog, where you can see how printer is installed. Instructions, CD driver for our printer. The two models 6502 and 6502NW has differentiated by a key feature, which is Wi-Fi connectivity. So the model number 6502 has no Wi-Fi, and 6502NW has a Wi-Fi connection. So going through Pantum Printer, Pantum has a wide range of printer with different features like single functions and multifunction, laser, duplex, network and ADF. And this printer is exclusively available with Vishal Peripherals at possible price. So both the models, Pantum M6502 and M6502NW, are available at our store. To know more details, please visit our Vishal Peripherals store.